Introducing the TS935.01 INOX integral rough-in valve with a two-way diverter and volume control. This high-performance thermostatic valve features 3/4-inch NPT inlets, integral shutoffs, 3 outlets, and an individual diverter with 5 functions. Start by focusing on the min and max lines on the mudguard. These lines indicate the correct depth for installation, ensuring the valve will fit perfectly behind the finished wall while still allowing access for trim installation. Focusing on the min and max lines would help to ensure that the final wall finishes before the max marking. Create a solid backing and use the provided screws to secure the valve on backing. This would ensure stability and proper alignment. Clean and connect the water supply lines. Connect the cold water supply line to right inlet and hot water supply line to left inlet. The integral stops can be used to turn off the system in case maintenance or repairing is required. Now, connect the 3 outlets for volume control and diverter. Outlet 1 could be your primary shower head. Outlet 2 a secondary feature like a hand shower. And outlet 3 a bath spout. The diverter and volume control allows you to operate each outlet individually. Perform the pressure test to ensure there are no leaks and water pressure meets the required minimum PSI. Prepare for drywall and finished wall installation. Ensure the hole is large enough to access the integral stops, diverter and valve, but small enough to allow the trim plate to fit perfectly without any extra voids. This can be achieved by closely aligning the wall with edges of mudguards, ensuring a clean and precise fit for trim later. Leave the mudguards in place until you're ready for trim installation to protect the valve and maintain alignment. If the finished wall extends beyond the max line, you'll need an extension kit, which is sold separately. Now, carefully remove the mudguards to prepare for trim installation. It's time for trim installation. Begin by aligning the gasket. Position the trim plate over the gasket. Thread the sleeves for diverter and volume control. And slide the sleeve of rough-in valve into place. Align the main trim pieces for diverter, volume control, and rough-in valve. Then secure them by tightening the screws with an Allen key. Notice the red marking on anti-scald, showing that the valve comes preset for vertical installation, as the trim lever should align with red marking. For horizontal installation, clip out the anti-scald with a screwdriver, rotate it 90 degrees and reinsert it. Now, the trim lever should be in line with red marking accordingly. Once the trim is installed, turn on the water supply and test the system. Check for leaks, verify proper flow from all outlets, and ensure functionality of temperature control.